Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix enable add card to Apple Wallet. So guys, if you are trying to add card on Apple Wallet and you are unable to add wallet card, so guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix this problem. So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings and you have to make sure that you are properly connected on internet, and after that you have to make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there are any connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that you have to just simply open setting again. Now tap on general and tap on software update and make sure that there is no update on your device. If they have any update, then simply update it first, and after that from here guys, simply tap on language or region, and from here guys select your region as United States, and after that simply go back and restart your device. So guys, simply open settings, tap on general, scroll to below, then tap on shutdown, and from here guys simply restart your device to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.